Let's install Axure RP10 and purchase a license. If you already have Axure RP10 installed and have purchased a license, feel free to skip this lesson. First, search for Axure in Google. Click on Axure.com and you will come to the official website. Click the download button, and the system will automatically detect your operating system and select the appropriate option for your machine. The Axure RP10 installation package will be downloaded to your computer. Click on the downloaded installation package and follow the steps to install it on your computer. On Mac OS systems, double-click to install it. Then click on the icon on the dock to open Axure RP10. The software has a 30-day free trial, and we return to the website to continue purchasing licenses. Click the Buy button to go to the purchase page. You can see that there are 3 types of licenses you can purchase according to your needs. And below you can see the functional differences between these 3 types of licenses. After selecting a license, you need to fill in your payment information to complete the purchase. You can choose to pay annually or monthly.